In Love With Rosemary, 11.7% ABV, strawberry and rosemary infused gin, orange liqueur, lemon, apple, and rosemary syrup. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and creator of the LAIBA Cocktails. I'm going to show you how to serve an In Love With Rosemary. This drink is best served in the rocks glass. First, we want to add some ice. We recommend storing our cocktails at room temperature or pre-chilled from the fridge. Before serving, make sure you shake it up really well and then pour it over ice. Always make sure you give it a nice little stir to chill it down further and just give it a little bit extra dilution. The recommended garnish for this drink is a grapefruit twist, which is best done with a peeler and a sprig of rosemary. Give it a nice clap to release the aroma, garnish it, and here's the In Love With Rosemary.